all these are a catalog, because as I told you that when we say that particular notification type is a customer complaint notification, or it is a notification where you need to do some maintenance activity. Now, whether this maintenance activity is to be confirmed correctly or not, that is done with the help of catalog. Now, in catalog, let's say you got a one maintenance notification from plant production team about the vibration in bearing, right? So as a maintenance guy, you'll go there, you'll simply check the maintenance, you'll simply verify the vibration, you'll monitor or measure the vibration in a rotating equipment, and then you'll say whether this vibration is okay or not. So what is this? This is a kind of decision which you need to take. So this decision is called as a catalog. Here you can create a catalog. The way it here the catalog uses decision is created. Under this catalog, see, one way is that, as I had given example of a bearing vibration, and I said that bearing vibration is under limit, or under limit, or it is over limit, right? There are two options. So here you are not going to put any numeric value. You will simply select either accepted or rejected from drop down. Okay, so in uses in your catalog, you can define two things. First, selected, set, allowed. When we say selected set, it means it is a value which you need to pick up from drop down at the time of entry. Okay, this is the first one. Now, in another case, let's take an example of electrical motor. You got a request from a plant team by saying that this motor is getting excessive heat. There is a excessive heating problem in motor. In that case, see, you know that very well that your motor temperature should be, let's say, 120 degrees centigrade, right? Full running condition. So you'll measure your motor temperature over there, and you'll record. You want to record that temperature in your system. So what is this? This is here you are entering a numeric value. Okay. So here, against the catalog, you can choose both things. Either you can choose accepted, rejected kind of thing, which is subjective in nature, or you can also enter a detail in the form of numerical numbers. Yeah. So this type of activities can be done with the help of cataloging. Okay, you must have in maintenance department. It is not as I told you that maintenance job department job is not to repair the machine but to monitor the machine also. Now, to monitor the machine, generally the monitoring is done with the help of some checklist. Okay, oil level is okay, okay, the temperature is okay, okay, machine is cleaning, okay, okay. This is a routine job of maintenance people to fill up the checklist. So for that checklist purpose, we use one concept of measuring point and measuring document, right? Where you can put some certain points in your plant and you can measure on those points. So this catalog is very much effective for your measuring document. Then catalog profile. As I told you that you'll have a one catalog, and under this one catalog of users decision. Now, what are the options you want to provide under that catalog? It is called catalog profiling. So here, let me take this example of a catalog of compressor. So see here, they allowed it COM1, COM2, COM3, a sort of option in your catalog. Let me take another one because this looks very generic. IT equipment. So what will happen here? Now see, first of all, we define one group as one catalog as a user's decision, accepted, rejected. Okay, but the catalog group won't be named as accepted, rejected. This is the first step of a creation of a catalog. The second step is to create a catalog group, or which is also called as a selected set or code groups. So in a code group, you will define all this option of accept, rejected, accepted with deviation, repair required, all these you can create in under this catalog group. And now if you group a catalog and code group together, because you may have 100 of combination in your organization, but let's say if you are creating a one general notification and you want that this general notification should have a limited option of cataloging. Okay, so to achieve this purpose, by considering the catalog and code group, you'll create one catalog profile, right? And this catalog profile will be assigned to my notification type. Okay, so let's say you have one, again I again explain you, let's say I have one notification type as an inspection, and in an inspection, so I'll create a notification type as an inspection. Now in this inspection I want that user should select the accepted, rejected from drop down. So I'll create one catalog group. I'll create one catalog, right? And to this catalog, I'll assign a catalog. To this catalog, I'll assign a code group. Okay, and now all this catalog and code group will be put together is called as a catalog profile. That profile will be again entered in your notification type to put a restriction. This catalog profile is not a mandatory requirement of a notification. You can create notification without this cataloging. Now next one is about the notification processing. See, when you create a notification, it doesn't mean that your machine will be attended immediately, right? So there should be, there generally in every industry there is a one response time fixed for type of failure. Okay, and also based on a type of equipment. If you remember in equipment, at the time of equipment master, we saw that we can define the criticality of equipment. So if you receive a notification for a critical equipment, you have to rush immediate. If you got a notification for a non-critical equipment, then you can wait for some time. So here we can use the response time monitoring here.